Hey guys, Tazika here. This is my sister. She's going to punch me in the stomach.
Yeah.
So, you just want to do it?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, I was actually just kidding. This is something that they do in movies. It's called, stunt hitting, I guess. And so basically, what? You just, and so basically, it's, where it looks like in Batman vs. Superman, or like any sort of fighting movie, you're just hitting them super hard. It looks like it, at least. But really, what you do is you just slow down, like, at the last second. So, yeah. And so you're just like this, and then you slow down at the last second and kind of push. And then the other person just cramps in and just pretends. So, and if, so basically in fast motion, it would look like this. Except she would fall down and start crying. Like this. Like that. So do you want to do it to me? And you can pretty much just do it anywhere with anything. You can even do it with legs. Okay. No, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, but guys, you get the concept.
I'm really bad at this.
We're not super good at it yet, but like so I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. See you later.